yo, I went to the pond and get some bread to feed the duckies. You know how we roll. That's how we roll. The people, the popo are gonna come and get me for not feeding the ducks. For feeding actually the ducks. That's what I meant. But yeah. Somehow I used to feed the duckies, the ducks, the duckies, the ducks, the duckies, the ducks. But now when I go to the pond, they say you cannot feed them anymore. Well, I say, why not? But actually I say, but I really love the duckies, so screw you, get away. So I kidnapped that guy, and then I went to jail. Then I escaped the jail, because my friendly ducky came in to rescue me. That's why I love the duckies. Duckies, duckies, duckies. That's why I love the duckies. Duckies, duckies, duckies. That's why I love the duckies. Duckies, duckies. That's why I love the duckies. You are my favorite pet. I really want as your pet, but you can't really have it as a pet. So that's why I really want a ducky. I might get one instead of the zoo, or I might just find a ducky, like, get hurt somewhere in the zoo, or maybe I just might find it in the street very injured. Yo, my name is Duckman, and I love duckies all over in the swamps. And I live with the duckies. The duckies love me, and I love them. Yeah, you heard that guy named Sebastian Moreno. He's the king of the ducks. That's why I love him, because he's gonna offer me a duck baby, but instead it might get dangerous. Then he might get arrested, because I think it might be illegal. But my friend is a ducky master. A ducky master. Ducky, ducky, ducky. A ducky master.
And I wish you have a duck voice sounds like this. And the duckies can control me, and I can control them.
Yeah. And then this little guy, he is very famous. He's from Disney Channel, I think, and his name is Mickey Mouse, and he's gonna come right here and talk about you guys. So there is Mickey Mouse. Oh my God, I love duckies. They're my thing. All right, you guys, Mickey Mouse, you can go now. I really want to talk with my people, because I love duckies. I really want to talk about duckies. Duckies. Yo, duckies.